Hello students, welcome to EVS class. In last lesson, we have studied about some public services we need in our community life. But today, we are going to learn who actually fulfills our need, that is day-to-day needs, and how they fulfill our needs. So let us begin lesson number 22, who fulfills our needs. There are many community helpers like teachers, doctors, milkmen, farmers, grocers, vegetable sellers, potters, etc. All these people help us in our life. Air, water, food, and shelter are the basic needs of our. We need food to eat, so that for that we need farmers. We need clothes, so we need tailors to stitch. We need education, for that we need teachers. Then we need doctors to cure our illness, and many more helpers we need in our day to day life. So, all of these helpers do their work. Such work is called as occupation. Children, you must be knowing what your father is doing. Your mother must be also working. Your grandfather must also have worked before, and all they have done their own occupations. And children, you also must be saying that when you grow up, you will become doctor, engineer, soldier, banker, etc. So, all these are called as occupations. What is occupation? A person's job or profession is known as occupation. Now, let us see types of occupations. Occupations can be divided into four main parts. First part is nature based occupation. Second, manufacturers. Third, trade. Fourth, providing services. Let us first see nature based occupations. It means the job which is dependent on nature, environment are known as nature based occupations. Some examples of nature based occupations are agriculture and fishing. Agriculture is an important occupation in our country. Everyone in the country gets food because farmers work in the field. Our food includes items such as bhakri, chapati, rice, dal, vegetables, and salads. These items are prepared from crops grown in the field. Crops like jawar, bajra, wheat, rice, pulses, as well as leafy vegetables and other vegetables are grown in the field. Our needs are also taken care of through farming. For example, we get sugar from sugarcane. Textiles made from cotton are used to make garments. Farming of fruits, flowers, and medicinal plants is also carried out on a large scale. Do you know, students, in ancient times, man did not know about farming. He would wander around in search of food. He used to hunt. He ate fruits and tubers. When man learned how to grow crops, he could get food in one place. There was no need to wander about for food anymore. He began to have free time. In that free time, many discoveries were made and many industries were developed. Now, let us see some agro based occupations. Agricultural products can be used to undertake many other occupations. Fodder is created in fields. It is used to feed cows, buffaloes, and sheep. Thus, as we cultivate the land, we can raise these animals also. We obtained milk, meat, and leather from animals. Grain is grown in the field. It can be used to feed chickens. Fruit grown on farms can be used to prepare squashes, jams, and jellies. Sheep rearing, poultry farming, animal husbandry, and fruit processing are all occupations dependent on agriculture. They are called agro-based occupations. Some villages occupations are family business. Sometimes people carry on the work that their father and grandfather did before. However, in our country, we can choose the job we want to do. Now, let's see another nature based occupation, that is fishing. Fishing is the activity of trying to catch fish. Techniques for catching fish includes hand gathering, spearing, netting, trapping, etc. These are many types of fish. Usually, people do fishing in sea, but some people can do it in river also. Mostly people eat seafood, that is different types of fishes. As there is vegetable market, there are fish markets also available in our towns and cities. Fishes are also being exported to other places. They are well packed to keep them fresh. Coastal region people mainly eat fish and rice, but both fishing and agriculture are dependent on nature. But if sometimes uncertain rain starts, then the crops may get destroyed. Likewise, if there is storm in sea, the fishermen cannot go for fishing inside the sea. So it is likely said that agriculture and fishing is based on nature. Now let us see second type of occupation, that is manufacturing. Manufacturing means it is the process of raw materials of parts into finished goods through the use of tools, human labor, machineries, and chemical processing. For example, if we want to make a car, then there are many parts to be joined, and very small parts are joined to make a new branded car. Like that, other automobiles are having the same process. Same way, for making pots, there are also some manufacturing process. First, the potter uncle brings the good quality clay. Then he mixes some other substances in the clay. He mixes with water and the clay and makes it soft, easy to shape. This is called as kneading the clay. Then he turns the kneaded clay on a wheel to shape the pot. Afterwards, the pots are baked in a kiln to make them hard. And now the pot is ready. Likewise, for making cloth, first of all, we need cotton for making clothes, where raw cotton is turned into thread and the weaving process is done. And the cloth is made. After that, the cloth goes in the factory, and then some dye is put or printed fabrics are made. Then these fabrics are used to make clothes that we wear. All these we have seen the examples of manufacturing occupations. I hope you have understood what is occupation and types of occupation. We have seen two types today. In next video, we will see further two types of occupation. Thank you.